Hi guys, this is Julien, the guy who makes pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to pronounce this name in English. How should you say this word in English or American? This is actually a word that means jaws in Italian. Surprisingly enough, it is a common word in Italian, but it is also of course the family name of the director of the National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases, who also serves as Donald Trump's advisor on health issues and on the current pandemic, as you know. So how do you go about pronouncing this name? Fauci. Here is why. In Italian, the letter C before the letter I is pronounced like CH, just like in Arrivederci. You might know this word that means goodbye in Italian, Arrivederci. So it's the same thing in Fauci. Fauci or Anthony or Tony Fauci. You also want to separate the A from the U, not FOCHI, but rather Fauci. 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 Anthony or Tony Fauci.